Well, Steve, I fucked up. I got the tide table wrong. Didn't have to be here till 8 o'clock. Quarter to 4 in the morning, we got to be keen, haven't we? Eh? At the time, we've got to be bleeding mad. Just ready for the officer, we can cut over the bank. Don't think there's going to be a lot of wind today, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we should have a good day. Stephen.
Morning. What's that?
It's Nicholas.
Morning.
How'd you do?
Andrew. Bye-bye to Essex Marina. Smoothound fishing in the Thames estuary. We've got a carp angler on here today.
It's well known.
Now, what sort of fish should I do always catch?
With a carp rod.
Oh.
With a carp rod as well.
With a boilie on.
With a boilie.
He's using gear that he's used to. We've got the old Shimano bait runner on there. Bit of 20-pound line. Nice bend in the rod. And we've got a... I'll let you net this one, Steve.
Thanks.
Oh, here we go. Stabby Steve.
Right, when you bring it to the surface, just be nice and gentle, because the more you pull, the more they're going to pull back. Sometimes you can get them to surface, you can get them to relax on the top, and then you can net them easy.
Okay.
And you'll see what I mean. If you just lift it, it doesn't matter. Just get it out of the water. Don't worry about the other lines. If it goes under the boat, stick the rod in. Stick the rod tip right in the water. That's it. Because if it touches the keel of the boat, it's gone. Sound like I know what I'm talking about, don't I? All guesswork. That's just the way it is with these things, you can't help it. Hold on, my other rod's going now. Oh, that's going. I think Andy might have to be the video man.
Are we live at the minute?
Right, ready.
Get him, Steve. Get him.
Well done, Stephen. Right, keep that net ready, Stephen. We've got another one coming in.
Right, back on the field.
Right, this might be a swinger.
Steve's had a few of them.
Right, unfortunately this is taking all the lines with it.
Darling.
Yeah, it's only a little fucker this one, but it's lively. Right, there we go. Alright,
We're in.
so we've been here 5 minutes. And we've had three little training hours.
Oh, right.
And you got a bite on your rod.
Hold on. No.
Little species hunter on here now, look.
Oh yeah, what would we do?
Little silver bar. Occasionally you do get them on the old hermit. Now I don't care what you say, you're not banging that over the head. Well done, Stefano. Little smile for the camera, Stephen. That's it, kiss him, put him back. Oh, I'll tell you what, he's
Made me
like a one-man fucking comedy show, isn't he? He's like a one-man comedy.
That's fucking sharp.
Look, stick your finger in his gob. Look.
Just like that.
Just like that.
He don't want to go back.
He does, he wants to go back. That's it, like that.
Nicely done.
Say hello to the camera.
Nicely
Hello.
done, Phil.
Hello.
He's thinking I'll have a bit of batter around me.
Right, away he goes.
Ah. Oh, he's making a meal of it again. Try and knock that off for him. He's alive, you won that one, look. Yeah. Well done, Nick.
That's it. Another training hound.
Well done, Phil.
Yeah, no big ones today. Up to sort of £6 maybe, £7. Right, take that bit out of the way. Muchas gracias, amigo. Right. I don't know, £5 or something, I would have thought. Not really worth weighing when they're like that.
Well done, mate.
Hello. There he goes.
You alright, Andy?
I'm good, man. I'm just chilling.
Like usual.
I'm going to have my first Scotch egg in 5 minutes.
Well, I've had that.
Oh, I've got some Scotch eggs as well.
And Nick's with his old carp gear. He's got a bait boat out. Hold on, hold on. We've got a bit of action here.
You got a bite there, Andy?
That was a lovely bite and I fucked it up. She didn't stand
Got out of camera, useless fucking knob. Oh,
You don't have to strike these. You just reel. He's on. Is he on?
You on?
She's on.
She's on.
She's on.
That's how you strike it, and well done, son.
Number 8. Make sure you wrap it all round.
Yeah, don't go through my line.
Oh, she's taking the line.
Just double check that. We'll get out of his mouth. What a wanker.
Whoa, come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Oh, Andy's got a nice little one here. Can this be the best fish of the day, Andy?
Nah.
No, it's a little one. Ah. Cool.
And she's in.
Well done, Andy. Second fish of the day.
Right, that's number 8.
Cheers, Nick.
I think you'll find I've probably had the biggest and the best, as usual. Did you lose that one, Phil?
Sorry, mate.
Did you lose that fish?
Yeah, I did actually. Yeah.
That's not like you, mate.
Don't rub it in, Steve, because it'll happen to you.
Yeah, you know what's going to happen, mate, don't you?
Anyway,
He who last laugh, or whatever it is.
last allowed, isn't it?
Last laugh.
Well, anyway, I've got to get back to fishing. Nearly took the rod over this one.
Might be a little bit better this one.
We're hoping to get the first double figure of the day.
Been a lot of smaller fish so far, but a little bit better. That one.
Oh, that's a nice one, isn't it?
Little bit better.
Getting bigger. Knock it off, Nick.
No.
Oh, Gareth loves it. Loves that boat.
That's it.
Nick's struggling.
That's nice.
Slightly better one that
Might just nearly double figures, that one. Not sure where it's trying to swim to, but it's having a good go.
Right, we've got Nick into a fish now in the old carp gear. That's gone roaring off. Says there's a bit of weight there. Look at the way he's holding it. Look like he's got a common on there. Look.
You just below me. You enjoy it? Yeah, about 1,000 or 15 or so, but it's sort of one here, one there, you know.
Right.
Great shakes. Yeah, well, since a lot of you want
Going well, mate?
they're there, but you know, one here, one there.
Good on this rod.
They're in about, once we've been getting, it's been about 35, 40 foot water.
Right.
If he's trying up here, right, you go first, he's just got to stay where you are.
Right. Let's turn that radio off because it's getting on my fucking nerves now.
So we tied up where I am now, or just be where you are there.
I might. Oh, the rod just went.
Yeah, it's gone. It's gone.
It's going, is it? Oh, right. Right, this is 13 and 14. We've got a double hook
go,
up.
didn't it?
Double hook up. There's a lollipop, man. Andy.
And I'll be ready. Yeah, I'm going to get it.
Starting
I'm going to get that side here.
starting to get a bit bigger now.
Well, I'm getting bored of holding this camera. Can I have a fish, please?
We've got a double hook at each. Hookerage.
What do you think you got on there?
Steve, let me hold this lot of carp bag.
Yeah. What you got on there?
Take the piss, Phil.
Do you think you got a common on there, Nick? Or a mirror?
I'll be a nice fully scaled.
He's got a mirror on there.
I'm milking the fuck out of it. I don't know what I've got, but it's the turbine rod, because it's a bit cookie. Ah, that little baby.
Little trainee. After all that.
All that for that.
My lines, Phil, I've just got that out there. You know, it took me 15 minutes. What we got here, mate? Another little small one?
Yeah, another little trainer. They look lovely in the water, don't they? Yeah, it's probably £6 maybe.
It's a nice one.
Right, when you're ready, Andy. Yeah, come in.
Well done, Andy.
Andy's the net man. Right, 14.
Well in there. Oh, sorry, mate.
Right, hold on. Got it?
What's that carp, Nick?
Where is it, Nick? Are you alright?
He's alright.
Taking a piss. Right, got it? Hold it behind the head. Like nearer to the head, that's it. Hold it tight like that, that's it. Hold it, Nick. Hold the fucking thing. Right, that's it, that's it. Right, cut the train in hands. There we go.
I think Nick's is slightly bigger.
Right, 13 and 13.
Well done, lads.
Yeah, well, I'm on 3.
How's this? You go in the cabin to put the kettle on, come out and somebody else is on your fish, look. On,
Oh,
on your rod, look.
straight near your rods.
Look.
Hold on. Is that a little knock on mine?
Ooh, bit of wishful thinking. By the time Steve picks it up, it's like it's lived its life cycle. It's a skeleton now, Steve. Do you know what I mean?
I get to count this in my total.
Oh, I don't know. Is there any weight there?
It feels alright.
Yeah. Oh, look, that's why. Look, Steve, where he's been casting in my swim.
I'm on his line.
Look, yeah, just keep reeling. Let yours go slack, Steve.
Yeah, don't start pulling on it, Steve. You know what you like. That probably why it feels a bit better. I'm dragging him in as well.
Yeah. Can't turn your back for 5 minutes and somebody's reeling your gear in like. Oh, it's only a little tiny one. It's a training hound. That's number 16 anyway. So. The old carp angler's in again, look. Holding the rod like a complete homosexual.
This is how it's done.
At least he's holding it off. What's it, a little training hound, another little bass?
It's a bass?
He's lost it, hasn't he? He's fucked it. Has he?
Still on.
Is it?
Bolted towards me.
Alright. That sounds like the kettle.
I'll get it. Get this through.
Yeah, go on, Steve. Get off your fat ass. Look at him sitting there. He hasn't moved all day, look.
True?
What?
And he wonders why he's 27 stone.
Oh, what have I got here?
Fucking hell, I like this.
Oh, weed on it.
Look at it. For the front cover of Sea Angler, look.
Is that it?
Front cover of Sea Angler.
There's something on there.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
What's
Don't think you're-
No one likes to see that. Number 19. Sandy with this one.
Cool.
Maybe £5 or £6. Strong old fish, mate, aren't they?
They're fucking strong. Oh, poor bastard.
You'll be alright. You managed getting a hook out, mate?
She's right through.
Stick it under your arm. Like literally, trap it. That's it. Trap it under your arm. That's it, and then you can work on it then.
Oh, it's gone right through his eye. Look, poor bastard.
Just give it a yank, quick. That's it. Turn it round. That'll be alright. Turn it round. That'll be fine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Fucking poor bastard.
Might have a bit of a sore eye, but right.
Oh.
Go on, chuck it over. It'll be alright.
In you go, baby.
That's why I prefer using the old short shank hooks, because you tend to get them always in the scissors.
Fucking painful, that bastard.
I'm going to start calling him Quincy, the way he operated on that. Quincy.
Yeah.
What we got? Another little tiny one.
It's another one on the hit list. On the hit list, that's for 4.
Well done. You're getting quite good at netting other people's fish, Steve, as soon as you don't catch any of your own. It's not too bad out here today. We got 1, 2, 3. There's about 4 boats in here, I suppose, all in all. But nice.
Yeah, but it's still early though, isn't it?
Yep, nice flat day. No wind.
Where's the...
None of that horrible high pressure. Well, that's good for a suntan. Absolutely fucks the fishing. You alright, Stevie boy?
Where's the
Well, I
crab?
probably missed my fish and all I'm doing is netting everyone else's.
Steve, No, it's not that good.
Get the rod down, because it's
It's under the boat. It's gone under the boat.
Got a bit of action with Andy here at the minute.
My one, I think.
Oh, she's right under the boat.
Right, put the rod right.
Ooh.
She's gone. She's gone.
No.
No, it's not.
Yes, isn't it?
No, you've got the lead wedged in the eye.
That's a better one. That's a better one, Andy. Probably goes £8 there. Hold that one up, mate, and I'll get it on here.
Well done.
Nice one, mate.
Well done, Andy.
Best one you've had today, that, mate, isn't it?
Yeah. Change the boat.
Don't sell him. See how Steve you can unlock that.
You just get rid of this quick, won't it?
I'm thinking about it.
Let me get a bit of slack in that.
Yeah, I'll help you, Steve.
Yeah, look. It's like fish sausage, look.
Looks there, isn't it?
I'll get it. Hold on. Yeah. Sorry, mate.
Well, it tastes alright, actually. I've got better one, Bob. You fucking wanker.
I can't have this rod.
Fucking, I might have a shiner now.
That was a proper slap.
Sorry, mate. Do you want to hold that up, Andy?
Tower, it's dangerous.
That's it. Just between the one on the tail and between the fins. That's it.
Not a bad little fish.
Yeah, that's all right. That's nice.
Yeah, it's my smallest one today, but it's going to have to do with it.
No, well done, mate. Right, stick it back.
She's gone.
That's it. Well done, mate.
Cheers.
It's gone round the other side of the boat, look. Good fun, isn't it, on them light rods?
Right.
Yeah, come under here.
Lift that rod up. Got British record on it.
Train in hand.
I'm gonna get the net.
It's number 25, though. Yeah, will someone get the net, Steve?
Sort of wore himself out now for that little person.
Look beautiful in the water, don't they?
Here he comes.
So much power. It was quite clear today for an eel.
You said it was really clear the other day.
Oh, it'd be crystal out there, mate. It never really gets ultra clear in here because it's obviously so shallow, but it's a dirty bottom as well. Well done. Well done, Nick.
Right. Yeah, it's not bad.
Quite decent to be fair.
Well, I'm alive.
Where have we gone? Has he gone under the boat? This is the only man I know who fishes with a left-hand reel and a right-hand reel. He's, what do they call it?
Ambidextrous.
Ambidextrous.
Oh, don't lose it there.
I'll better stick that little...
It's not bad, actually.
yeah. Best one of the day, do you reckon?
I think so.
Not bad considering you were too busy eating your sandwiches.
Look at the beads, I swear. Look. I swear on me, mate. Look at the beads. It's a little workout, isn't it? It's a shark, isn't it?
Let's have
We
a
can
look.
get it up to the top. If you don't want to come up.
It's not bad. It's another double. What are you doing holding it like a complete homosexual? Like the pair of them, like think they're carp angling. Holding the rod in the middle.
Nice and done. That's why.
It's nearly got over this side. Look at these buffoons.
He's lost it. He's lost it.
Well done, Stephen.
Cheers, mate. Good job I kept an eye on that rod then, wasn't it?
Well, I'm going to get that back. We're going to just tip it out.
I'm fucking on and all.
No, you ain't.
I've got him and I.
Oh, you're pulling each other. Don't tell me that.
Oh, are we?
Go on.
No.
Go on, just
Yeah, you're attached to me.
go on. Pull the same fish in. Whose fish is it though? That is the thing, isn't it, eh?
Steve, you'll wrap round my neck.
Nick, he does this all the
What are
time.
you really fishing for? We ain't got all fucking day.
Nick, he does this all the time. He likes to sabotage people's fish.
Steve, don't you make that come off. Because you will go swimming.
Snap.
First glimpse of it.
Oh!
Yes!
Don't you lose my weight.
No, look, you've got a dogfish on.
Have I?
Yeah, and I've got a skate. Look.
Oh yeah, look.
Have a look up. Little kissy bits.
Hold on, let me get there because I'll get both of these in the net.
At the same time, that would be clever.
Right, hold them where they are now and they'll all go in together.
Yeah, there's a bit of weed starting to come through. Yeah, look, look.
Quick, perfect
Oh, I
opportunity.
can't
Come on.
back it.
You sort of got it.
Right, go on.
Steve, you've got to pull yours, man.
Is it? No, it's not there. Right.
Well done, mate.
Got it in with a cardboard. It's a monster.
Right, get that one in quick, then we get that one. Little dog, can you lift that dog in?
Yeah, you can lift that in, Steve.
Lift your little dogfish in, Steve.
Alright. Nice little rocaruna. Steve tangling up everyone as usual.
Yeah, safe.
So inconsiderate, I tell you.
Oh, do you know, that's a lovely
Are we
little...
staying or moving?
No, we're going to have a move.
Yeah.
Yeah, have a little go in the river. Captain Stevie.
Uncle Albert. Ship, land ahoy!
Get a bit closer than boats, mate.
Fucking hell, man. It's a lot harder than you think, isn't it? Nothing to it.
Just going to go and grab some diesel before we stick it to bed.
Steve's going to take us in.
We got Captain Steve at the helm.
Got a life jacket.
Captain Steve.